Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about combination. The formula of this one that should be like this. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, s factorial we can put into s minus number 5 factorial, s minus number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1, and s. Next, we simplify s minus number 5 factorial on numerator and denominator. So we have like this. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus number 2. So if we have s minus number 3, we put negative number 1 for the both side. And we have s minus number 3, negative number 2 with negative number 1, we have negative number 3. If we have s minus number 1, we add number 1 for the both side, and we have s minus number 1. And now if we do first the derivative for the both side, this one we have number 1, this one that is about the constant, so you got number 0, number 1, and number 0. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we have number 0 from here. And now we put number 0 colon here to find the value of u. So u equals to negative number 2. When s equals to number 4, we put number 4 colon here. So u equals to number 2. So number 0 we change by negative number 2. This one we change by positive number 2. This one we change by u. This one we change by u plus number 1. This one we change by u plus number 2. This one negative number 1. And this one we have negative number 2. The next one, u minus 1 multiplied by u plus 1. We have the formula in here. So this one we can change like this. Next, we need to consider about this function in here. Now, if I put about f of negative u, we have like this. So because this is about even power, so you have positive. This one we have positive, but this one we don't have the power, so this is about negative number 1. And if we simplify, we have like this. and this one equals to negative f of u. That means this one is about opt function, because this is about the opt function and the bound is about symmetric. So the value of this one equals to number 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.